Hello everybody, I'm Vasco from ukulelecheats.com and today I'll show you how I'm playing Rainbow? No, not the rainbow. Raindrops keep falling on my head. I'll show you how I'm playing in the key of C, and this is perfect for those of you who find the original a little bit too high for sync, as myself. You can check out my cover right here to get a basic idea of what we're going to do in this tutorial. So yeah, go ahead, check it out. Make sure you hit the like button and subscribe to the channel, and then we continue. Those raindrops keep falling on my head, they keep falling. Okay, first let me show you the chords that we need. So we need the chord of C. Alright, that's easy. Then the chord of G and the chord of F. This is for the intro, and after that we have the chord of C major 7. Then we need C7. Alright. Then we need the chord of E minor 7, the chord of A7. Alright. Then the chord of D minor 7, which is like D minor, 2, 2, 1. Okay. And then the pinky here on the 3rd fret of the A string. And then the chord of G7. Okay. And also after that we need the chord of E diminished. Alright, so from top to bottom is open, 1, open, 1. And the chord of A9, which you can grab like this, or the better voicing, if you ask me, should be like this, but it requires 4 fingers. I'm grabbing it like this. From top to bottom is 2, 1, 3, 2. But if that's too hard for you, you can just go away with this one. Open, 1, open, 2. That's all the chords that we need. So the intro starts with C, G, F, G. But the last G is coming a little bit earlier. So it's 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and the strumming I'm doing for this part is something like down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. But I'm more focused on the down strums. Except of course the last up strum, for which I'm just playing G, and then I start the main part. We start with C, and again I'm trying to do the same strumming pattern, but sometimes I go into down, down, up, up, unintentionally. It just goes like this. So let's see how it goes. Drops falling on my head, to C major 7, to C7, to F. Okay, and after that we have E minor 7 to A7, and then E minor 7 to A7, and then D minor 7. Hold it, and now. So on this last bar we're doing D minor 7 for just one strum, 1 and 2. On 2 we're grabbing G7, we play 1 down strum on it and then let it ring. So let's slowly see how this goes. Raindrops keep falling on my head, and just as the guy whose feet are too big for his bed, nothing seems to fit. Those raindrops keep falling on my head, they keep falling. But there's the... And we repeat the same thing one more time, the second verse. E minor 7 to A7, to E minor 7 to A7, D minor 7. One more time, and now the last. But there is a... And after the second verse, we go to the bridge. Okay, so we start with C, 1, 2, 3, 4, to C major 7, 1, 2, 3, and on 4, we're doing E diminished just for really quick. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. And after that I think they're even. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here is the A9. Okay, so let's see how it goes with the lyrics. But there's a thing I know, the blues they sent to meet me won't defeat me. It won't be long till happiness stand up to greet me. Okay, and here we have this F to G. 1, 2, 2. So on 1, and I'm doing muted strums. 1 and then on F 2 and 3 and 4 and. So the F is super short actually. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and after that we go to the third verse, which is the same. We are just adding one little thing at the end. So let's just go through it and I'll stop where we are adding the new thing and I'll explain it further. Raindrops keep falling on my head, but that doesn't mean my eyes will soon be turning red. Crying's not for me, 'cause I ain't gonna stop the rain by complaining, because and here's the little thing that we're adding. We're adding a little bit faster. C to C major to F to G7. And this is because I'm free. Nothing's worrying me. And after that we go to the part of the bridge, but it doesn't have lyrics in the beginning. It's just some trumpet or whatever, which I'm doing with whistling. Here we enter again. It won't be long till happiness stand up to meet me. And after that we repeat the last verse one more time with the added line, and then we get quiet for a little bit and we go to the outro, which is pretty much just C to F. But to the F, we're adding 2 more counts. So let me count it, then I'll explain the shading pattern, and you get the idea of how it should sound. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, so we're adding 1, 2 of F at the end. Then I'm grabbing here the C and the F a little bit differently, but you can grab them like the normal way. For me, just this sounds a little bit better. And the strumming I'm doing is down, down, up, up, down, down, up, up, down, down, up, up, down, down, up, up. And then on the added 2 counts of F, I'm just doing down, down. All right. And I think that this is a really important part of the song because it turns happy at the end, you know, which is the whole idea of the song, that, you know, raindrops are falling, but I'll be fine. Yeah, I think that sums up the song. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Let me know in the comments below which song should I do next, and that's it. Thanks so much for watching. Bye, see you on the next one.